Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Homecoming from the 6th to the 10th of July 2026 on Monday. Showmane sinks further into his spiral, defying even Metron Katazle's desperate effort to save him. Mangcobo Corner's Q demanding answers he can't escape on Wednesday. Shwabe goes all out to apologize to Umangcobo. It even cost him his son. Zeto tried to work out how to do the same while Nomfundo learns the realities of life on Thursday. Shwabe confront his darkest fear in a nightmare, and with heart on the line, everyone confront what it meant to move forward, while Mashabalala's viral fame brings both excitement and trouble on Friday. When Vose tried to numb his grief, he gets more than he began for, as Mamkwanyane's world comes trembling down when she learns of Sfiso's final act of betrayal. An unlikely star is born in the Hlongwane home. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.